Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you one more thing. The assignments for the technology assignments. I just wanted to make sure that you know where they are in your textbook. So when you get here, and I literally just finished copying the course, so I'm trying to make sure there are no mistakes. So you see that it's here, right? And I tried to make this match what the book says. So I'm going to go to Alex. And then, of course, this spreadsheet can be uploaded into Google Sheets because, I prefer Google Sheets. Okay, so in your textbook, when you click on your textbook, you can go to Unit 1 and you go to 1-1. And I believe it is just before Unit 2 starts. So come down here. And where it says tech, so using tech. So that is the other place that you can find it. So you'll find 2-1 and 3-3 here as well. So it's the same video. So you're just going to recreate this spreadsheet. And remember, you can use the Excel spreadsheet. I'll just show you really quick how to upload an Excel spreadsheet. So you watch that video and then you just go from there. You're just going to do what they do in that assignment. So if you download this spreadsheet, it's already going to have stuff in there for you. And then you're just going to do the stuff that the video, just follow the video. I'm on my MacBook, so my MacBook tends to be strange when it comes to Excel into a Google Sheet. But I rather a Google Sheet. Just make sure that I am able to access it once you make it. So you just do file upload. And there's the tech sheet. And there it is. So you just recreate what they do in the video. Hope this helps. Hope this video is not too choppy. I'm using a new screen recording software. I like it, but I'm still learning it. So there's that. I will be trying to create the videos for chapter 1, unit 1 for Alex as well. I thought I created more videos, so I have a lot of work to do. So see you soon.